Hi everybody, today we're heading to the base of rest. I don't know how it's called, but I hope it's right. And also, I hope that it's gonna be a fun journey, and yep, I decided to share it with you. So yeah, let's get started, let's go. Good morning, rats. Hi everybody. Well, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm already outside. How about that? It becomes better and better with rats. The first days they were pooping everywhere, and now they're trying to do it in the same corner. And I'm so happy about that because it's gonna make the cleaning process much easier. And I love my room right now. Look at this. How it is beautiful. It's a little bit like, and also I like that it's very sunny in here. It's gonna take a shower because I haven't had it yet. Well, we had breakfast and it was perfect because I cooked zucchini with scrambled eggs. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. I ordered a delivery and it will cost me 500 rubles instead of 1,000. That's extremely good for me. That absolutely works. Well, I'm gonna show you what's in there. So these are lemonades, cheese, and this is, I don't know how it's called in English, okay? I just showed you. Show you how we play with rats. Danya put a bunch of toys on my bed, and then we just let them go anywhere they want, and it's really funny to watch them. We're going. Yeah, mirror isn't clean, and I'm not fresh. But I look good though. It's a dirty mirror. How I'm glad about it. We are on the place. And here's the lake. I'm pleasantly surprised that the distance to the shore is pretty close to our house. I've got my phone on a mossy ledge and I'm walking on rocks. I think this is a dream. It's almost the middle of August, but the water is still warm. Decided to swim because the sunset is beautiful.
Let's go!
This is great. There are a lot of, things. Decided to get dressed. I'd love to make such videos, just when I talk a lot and just tell you my thing. Hi everybody, I'm editing this video right now outside, as you can see, and what I want to say is that I'm so sad to see how I try to express myself in the videos and it's not working. I talk about nothing for minutes and minutes and it still doesn't make sense, but when I was talking I felt like, yeah, that made sense a lot. At such moments I want to give up. I am like, for what I'm doing these videos? It's absolutely meaningless. Actually, that's not true, because I decided to learn a language. I decided to start a video blog to improve my skills, and I finally started this, and I finally do a lot of like editing work, which I was dreaming about when I was like 8. And I don't need to give up. I shouldn't give up. I mustn't give up. And I want to tell you the same thing. Keep going. Just keep going. Everything is gonna be perfect. If you went for learning English, if you went for learning any language in the world, if you even feel like it doesn't make sense and it's not working, keep going. Everybody, we just fished for a little. This is our little house. We just swam the second time and it was perfect. And now I'm getting dressed because still it's Ural summer, so it's like pretty cold in here. We're sitting with Danya, he's drinking his lemonade and we're just talking, and I think that's really good, right? So this is our last day in here, and we're already home. I'm after a shower, and how is it good to put on clean clothes and touch clean hair?